So I was explaining you, right? If the number is greater than 0, then it is positive, otherwise it is negative. But there might be one more situation. What if the number is 0? Then how you're going to manage? So in that case, you can write down with another way of doing this. If number is greater than 0, it will be positive. If number equal to 0, I told you comparison here. If the number user enter from the use, if suppose user enter this number, is it equal to 0, then you will going to print 0. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear to everyone?
Yeah.
Yes.
And if the number less than 0, this is less than symbol. You might be a question coming in your mind. What is this? This symbol is called greater than. You might have studied in your school as well. Greater than, this called greater than symbol. This is called less than symbol, right? So yeah, who is praised here? Is it Precha?
Yeah. I don't know what something big like I
Okay.
yeah. This is
Oh,
me.
okay, no issue. And if the number is less than 0, what you're going to print? Negative, right? So I told you how to print that. Whatever you're going to write within a double quotes, it will going to print as it is. So suppose in case if I write down number less than 0 positive here, it will going to print positive only. So be remember, whatever you write in a double quote, it will print as it is. So now you can see these conditions. Now we're going to run this. I will going to save it. Before that, I will going to remove this because this is not with respect to this program. Only let me remove this part. Now I'm going to save this part. I'm saving this with plus minus. Okay, let me write positive negative dot py, and I will going to save it here. Okay, now let's open the command prompt, and in the command prompt I'm writing again. I will go inside the document where my file is. Inside the document I have a Python oops. Then in the Python oops I will write Python. Name of my file is positive negative.py. Press enter. Now we're going to enter value minus 89. So see, it is printing negative. I will going to rerun the program. I will going to enter suppose 34. So it is printing positive. I will going to rerun the program. I will going to enter 0. It is printing 0, right? So you can see here, if the number greater than 0, 34, right? So which condition will going to match here? This one. The number I enter, the user, as a user I enter 34 here, so it is positive. 0 I enter, so which condition will going to match here? This. The value of this number 0 equal to 0, right? I told you, when you want to equal to, when you want to compare two things, you have to use this double equal to, right? Is it clear to everyone?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and when you want, when I check it minus 89, is the number is less than 0, so this condition satisfies, so it is printing this. So this way you have to solve the problem. What was the problem? The problem here, the problem was you have to accept the input from a user and find out it is whether it is positive, negative, or 0. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Now I'm giving you few assignments. You do it today. All those program you do it, and today is Monday, right? So by Thursday, I will going to start a new module. Tomorrow, we're going to practice more on this condition part, and tomorrow and day after tomorrow. Then we're going to start on the some data analysis and how you can graphically way you can make a graph. Okay.
So that means, hello.
Yeah.
So we are going to learn Python 2 more days,
Yes.
so we can catch up it, right? For
Yeah.
for our job base. Okay.
Yeah. So from interview perspective, you go through these all programs. The link I'm sharing you right away.
Please.
This link that I have explained you yesterday. Uh, Go through this all program here. This is a list of the program. Open the program like anything. You just open any program here. Like suppose Python program to display calendar. Open it, read it. What they have done here. Copy this program. Okay, run it and try to understand what they are doing here. Here what they are doing. Here they are accept. Here they created a variable year and month and they are just trying to print with some predefined function what will be the calendar for that particular year and month. You want to check that? Just click on this copy. Okay. Open the notepad, paste it here. Uh, okay, yeah, this type of program you have to run in a Google Colab. So you can open the Google Colab. Why I'm saying you to copy means you can just try it. Okay, you don't have to copy as it is. You have to just try, change the variable name. Okay, try to understand what they're doing in the program. So just type Google Colab in the internet, click here Google Colab. Remember, your system should be login with the Gmail. To open the Colab, you should be login with the Gmail. Then click on this new notebook. Okay, click on the new notebook and wait for some time. The new page will be going to be open. Now it's on you. Either you can run the whole program at once or you can run cell by cell as well. Cell by cell means what? Okay, you run one line of the code. Okay, you run this one line of the code, wait for some time. It is based on the internet, that's why it is little bit slow. Based on the internet speed, it will work. It's a free service given by Google. Now you want to open new tab, new cell, click on this code. Click code, you see here. Now you paste remaining code here, you can run it. So now you see here, I want to check the calendar of 2014 November. So when I just call this function calendar.month YYMM, here what I'm doing, calendar is one library in Python. When you call this calendar.month and you pass both an year and month, it will going to give a calendar. Now here, let me make change here. I am passing here 2021 and month I am passing 10. Now today is what? Monday, right? Let me run this and see whether it's work. You can see here 25 is Monday, right? It's coming correct, right? You can see here. So like this type of program, you can do it in Python. Okay. Is it clear to everyone how to run the program? You can run the program in the Google Colab as well, and you can run in the Notepad. But wherever you see something where this import keyword is there in the program, I will suggest you to run in the Colab. The reason is this library will not be available in the system. Okay, this is one a kind of a software that we have to install it before running this program. So it is not available in system. So,
Notepad.
but yeah, but this is available in the Colab IDE. So you don't have to install it. When you run this, it will run automatically. Am I clear to everyone? Will you able to run all this program that I'm sharing the link with you? So how many program here? Almost 100 programs are there. Try every two programs daily. If you try at least 2 to 3 programs, you can cover it within a month, all those programs. They will going to ask you question from this only. Okay, this link you can just save this link with you. So tomorrow I will going to start on the condition part. Condition means, as I said you, condition like if condition, if else, that mostly ask in the interview, what is the condition based? As I said you, suppose if you join the today's class, if you work hard, you will crack the interview. If you not work hard, you have to struggle more. So if condition, how we are applying condition in that situation. We're going to do some more program tomorrow class. So go through this program. I'll send you the link on the chat. Okay. Is it clear to everyone?
Mhm.